is Rakhi. We are covering on vermicompost today. I'm standing at Sector 28, Ward 2, Noida. And with me is the Ward Director, Colonel Nara.
Hello, I am Kalnara.
All the wet waste is being treated right here in the ward, and the dry and hazardous waste is being taken out. So what is SWM?
Yes, solid waste management.
Yeah.
First is the segregation.
Hmm.
Segregation means the household wet, dry, and hazardous.
Right.
That is then collected by the sanitary worker,
Right.
and he then brings the wet into our processing system.
Right.
The dry is taken out and handed over to the Noida authority or wherever they dump it,
Uh-huh.
and the hazardous is given to another agency,
Okay.
with the scrap agency.
Okay. How it starts at home?
So, see the people and the household, they got three containers.
Okay. This is the wet waste, green waste. So 1 can you need for this at home. Wet waste consists of veg or fruit peels, leftover food, tea leaves, tea bag without thread, flowers, wet papers, cork and eggshell. Second can will collect all your dry waste like some packets.
Like polythene
Huh.
or whatever is not included in the wet,
Right.
so it goes into the dry.
Into the dry, and then there is hazardous waste section that consists of glasses and batteries
Chemicals
and some
and-
chemicals, yeah, that cannot go in the regular waste. Okay.
And they are three all are emptied by the worker.
Okay.
So in the rickshaw we have got the partition, wet and
Dry.
dry.
Okay.
The hazardous is separate collected in the rickshaw.
Okay.
It is not mixed up with the two.
Okay.
Green is brought within the ward
Uh-huh.
and then it is processed.
Okay.
The first stage is thermophilic,
Right.
where the wet waste it generates some heat, which is not very congenial for the worms.
Right.
So we allowed this fermentation or conversion into the first system, that is thermophilic.
So this wet waste is treated here in this thermophilic section that has been created. It's very simple to create. It's normal cement border. You just need a small trench, elongated area, like a drain as you can see, like this, which is a space anyone can carve out, any RWA can carve out in a garden, in a park, anywhere. So it's very doable, no special system, nothing needed. How much garbage are we processing here per day? How many houses are here?
We have got 216 houses
Okay.
and we get about 50 in the household, and you can add say about 10 from the parks or the leaves.
Right.
So 60-70 kilo is every day we are doing.
Okay. It has been running since last 1 year and there has never been a choke problem here that where to dump the garbage anymore. It's not a very long trench, I would say, and still it is able to recycle waste on a regular basis. Okay.
The processing system is of two types. One, that we can have some cow's gobar, or we can do without it also.
Okay.
Cow's gobar strengthens the nutrient value of the compost. It facilitates, shortens little time.
Right. Okay.
Without that, we can leaves as it is. They always come. All dry leaves
Yeah.
are collected and placed here.
Now I will like to talk to your staff who is actually making it happen, sir. आप कौन?
मुन्ना जी है,
हाँ।
सुपरवाइजर सेक्टर 28 वार्ड 2।
ओके।
मैम ये हमारे सफाई वाले घरों से कूड़ा लेके आया है।
हाँ जी।
कूड़े में ये तीनों चीज छाट के तब यहाँ एक दबा रहे हैं।
ठीक
अब
है।
इसको कुछ दबा देंगे पत्ते ऊपर से डाल के गोबर, तो ये थोड़ा सा नरम हो जाएगा मैम।
हाँ।
तो इसके बाद ये आगे हम जाएगा ये
ओके।
वर्म में।
ओके। तो ये थर्मोफिलिक सेक्शन में ये जो आप ग्रीन को पूरे से कवर कर रहे हो,
हाँ जी।
आपका नाम?
राजपाल।
राजपाल। मक्खी मच्छर ये सब नहीं उठते इसमें? खुला है क्योंकि?
कुछ नहीं जी।
अच्छा।
With these leaves, we can put the water, and the water will make soften them.
ओके।
Once they become soft in about a week or 10 days,
Right.
then we shift it to the second stage, mesophilic.
Right.
Mesophilic has got separate pits,
हाँ।
and where we keep the worms.
This is the mesophilic unit. Here the
Worms are placed.
we have
inside the
already
green.
treated them with water at thermophilic.
We have
it
already
has
treated them,
softened.
so they easily can be digested by worm. Worms start digesting it and pass. Mesophilic maintain the moderate temperature.
Right.
The worms are there,
Yeah.
so they need specific temperature.
Yeah.
And they don't like too hot or too much water.
Right.
So it must be moist,
Right.
and we just keep it moist every second day in summer, or every fourth, fifth day in winter. So it remains moist, but not watery.
Right.
So
Okay.
and temperature is maintained automatic. There are two types. One is aerobic, another is anaerobic
Right.
compost. So aerobic means the oxygen is provided to the worms, and in there the nutrient value is very high. In anaerobic there might be some negative points. We call toxic things, because the bacteria they do grow in anaerobic. They grow in aerobic, but they are very helpful. In anaerobic they may be harmful. So with that we have provided the oxygen inlet, and
These are the oxygen
give the space
inlets.
for oxygen.
These are the oxygen inlets, you can
and we have provided here also space,
Yeah.
so that they can easily the oxygen goes up to the down below,
Right.
and take care of that,
Okay.
and take about 6 weeks
Right.
to convert this into
To the compost.
compost.
Okay.
So compost may be vermicompost,
Yeah.
which has got the
Pellets of
worms
the
worms pellets, poop, as well as the compost.
Right.
And wormy only, that we call it the wormy poops. It is the one we call it wormy tea. So
Yeah.
you can see here.
After you sieve this with an iron mesh,
Ah.
this is what you get, and this is very nutrient rich.
Ah.
This vermicompost is being sieved now. This is an iron mesh they have got, and they are sieving it to get the final compost. Just look at that. It's all real, it's all happening, it's all here.
And see that now. You can't
Now
make out
just
whether it's
look
tea
at
or what.
this.
We take about 5 ml of this.
Okay, with a liter of water.
Vermicus and 1 liter of water.
Okay,
1 liter is sufficient for several plants.
okay.
गमले की गुड़ाई करके
हाँ।
उसकी जड़ों के आगे
हाँ हाँ
वहाँ आप जितना जरूरत है उसको उतना डालिए।
हाँ,
और दूसरा तरीका ये है, इसको उसकी क्यारी गोड़ दीजिए पौधे की चारों तरफ,
ठीक है।
और उस पर सूखा सा डाल के गुड़ाई कर दीजिए और थोड़ा सा पानी डाल दीजिए,
पानी ऊपर से डाल दूं मैं।
बस।
अच्छा।
और इसमें 3 फायदे हो गए, जड़, पत्ते और फूल।
कितना टाइम लग जाता है असर दिखाने में इस कंपोस्ट को?
10 से 15 दिन।
Further dilute it,
हाँ।
then we can spray also
ओके ओके
on the leaves. There is no match with any other compost, and it's very easy to implement. People will definitely comply with you and cooperate with you.
Yeah.
You have to just jump into it and move on.
So how did you manage to convince the residents, sir? How did they agree?
We had a meeting with all the people. We requested them that do it. This is very good, and we all contribute to the environment.
Okay.
Basically, the Swachh Bharat.
Right.
So we are contributing. Now, at least whatever was going out,
Yeah.
all the leaves were going out.
Yeah.
So all
Being
the
dumped.
green was going out.
Yeah.
So that all thing has been stopped.
Yeah.
Everything is being utilized here
Yeah.
and recycled.
Yeah.
So this is continuing process,
Right.
and we don't spend anything.
Yeah. There is no chemical requirement that you need to buy regularly. There is nothing. Nature is doing its job.
No-
all you need to
no machine
provide.
required.
All you need to provide is a separate area, a narrow separate area for it. Simple, cemented, and this bricks and cement stuff that is making all this happen here.
Compare.
Yeah.
If you got an automatic machine, which will cost you say about 5 lakh or 8 lakh or 10
Yeah.
lakhs.
Yeah.
So that machine will produce you ashes,
Yeah.
which is potash,
Yeah.
and nothing more than that.
Yeah.
But here you got all the 17, 18 nutrients.
Yeah.
Say calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, all which is required for the plants.
And all natural, all
All
economical,
natural.
all fast.
Ah.
Maximum time it is
Right.
taking is 1.5 months.
And you don't need
Yeah.
for your automatic machine.
Yeah.
You need power,
Yeah.
and you for power you need
Yeah.
lot
So
of
you
money
are
at this
consuming
point.
a resource.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
And that machine, it runs 24 hours.
Yeah.
Which all off in order to maintain a proper temperature.
Right.
Here we don't.
Yeah.
So we don't have to.
Yeah. Reduce, reuse, recycle is definitely something that needs to run parallel to this. That we start producing lesser waste and then we process it. So thank you so much, sir, for
So nice.
for
Thank
the
you for your
information. And you can always contact Dr. Colonel Nara whenever you want to. We will be posting his details on our YouTube channel also, so that you can get in touch with him for more information if needed, or we can facilitate that for you. Thank you so much for watching the video.